Welcome to our lesson about the Hole tool. In a previous lesson, we reviewed the Extrude command. You may think that I should be able to create a hole just as well using the Extrude command, and this is true. We indeed can create holes using the Extrude command. However, the Hole command gives you many more options and flexibility. The Hole command is located on the Modify panel. Let's activate it. Here is Sketch 3. This contains 3 points. The sketch is automatically pre-selected. Under Placement, the From Sketch menu option is selected. From the Placement drop-down menu, we can also choose from linear, concentric, or on-point placements. The next section lets us choose the hole shape type. Drilled. Counterbore is the next option. Third is a spot face hole. And finally, a countersink hole. Once we select the hole shape, we're able to specify the hole dimensions. Here, let's use 3/8 of an inch. And now we can specify the drill point, either flat or angle. If we select the angle option, we're able to specify the angular value. Below, we can choose a simple hole, a clearance hole, and for the clearance hole, we can select the fastener type down below. Tapped hole, here we can specify the thread, and the last option is the taper tapped hole. Let's stick with a simple hole for my example. Lastly here, let's consider termination. We can use distance, through all, or to. If distance is selected, we specify a distance. If through all is selected, the hole will go through the entire part. If to is selected, the hole will go to a specific plane or face. Let's select through all. Let's change the value to 0.375, 3/8 of an inch, and click OK. And here are our holes. They're described in the tree as Feature Hole 1. Let's create another hole. The linear placement type is already pre-selected. Let's choose a face. Click here to flip the direction. Next, reference 1, this edge. And let's make it 3/4 of an inch. Now I need to select a second reference, this edge, 1 1/4 inches. The hole type, termination, and we can flip the direction if needed. Let's click OK. Let's create another hole. We'll use the concentric placement type. First, we select a plane. Next, I'll select the concentric reference, this fillet here. Once again, we can specify the hole parameters and click OK. Let's try another hole. Activate the Hole command again. From the Placement drop-down menu, let's use On Point. Let's select the center point. And the direction. For the direction, I'll select this edge. Let's flip the direction. Now let's specify the hole parameters and click OK. To edit the hole, just double-click on it in the tree. Edit the parameters and click OK when you're finished. I'm going to cancel out for now. And this concludes our lesson about the Hole command.